We's in here, baby. My baby in here with her trucker. This is nice. Let me see. Oh, this is
baby ass refrigerator.
That's cute. You got your little drawers.
Look at the refrigerator. What am I gonna do with that?
You got. Don't you slam my hand. You got your freezer. You got your food.
Oh, you see my duffel bag over there?
Oh, she want a duffel bag.
That's not my mattress. My mattress is still in my desk.
You don't want to put your TV?
I can.
I'm gonna put the TV for you. Oh, can you go turn on the light? This is enough space. This is damn sure enough space. Keep it clean. This shit is dope. An apartment on the road. Come out. We's off this.
I gotta go super slow.
I was about to see where was her seatbelt.
I'm done. I have to go super slow because I don't want to trigger the driving thing.
You have to go where?
Super slow. I gotta go under 5 miles an hour.
Do 4 miles. My baby driving.